Hi everyone, this is day 10 of English speaking practice of 90 days challenge. So today's topic that what I do in whole day and what I experience in my first day in college, because my first today is my first day in college. Today I gone college. Then first of all I reach in college at very early. College start 9:30. I am reach 9 o'clock. 30 minutes before I reached college. So for then I roamed some college, visited some faculty and some classrooms, yeah, hostel, visited, and then see their environment, how they're working and how is that. So then college started class. Then one boy, second year of CSE branch, my branch. Then I asked her, which branch do you have read. Then he told me I'm a second year of CSE branch. uh, I I told him, okay, that's it, that's good. Then he told me, what you are, which branch do you have. Then I told her I'm first year of CC branch. Then he told me, first year student, not more student are coming nowadays. Then I will I told her, yeah, today is Saturday, but so that most of the student are not came in college uh, till Monday. So many student are came in, so many student are will come in the college, first year, second year, so many years are coming on Monday. So they told me, okay, that's good. Then I told her, okay, that's good, thank you. Then after 30 minutes, then one teacher says, go to that classroom 101. Then I go that room. In two boy already seated on their classes, on this class, on that classes. Then I will ask her, which branch do you have. Then he will told me, polytechnic branch, BCA branch. Then so many girls are coming continuously. I think 11 12 girls are come in college. Then came in classroom. Then teacher would become. Then he introduce yourself and introduce everyone. Then I will also introduce, I am Satrughn. I'm from Maharajganj, and I will. Here is a very strong reason or to become ethical hacker and hacking, because in the past so many frauded I faced. So I want to become a hacker. I want to become a hacker, a real hacker. Then he told me, that's good, very good. Then so many one teacher has icon came, that name is I am not name properly sound, not memorize that's her name. Oh, let it be. Then he told us, I am teachers of physics and first year and second year, third year, and motion. I also teaching in motion, and I also teach in second year, first year, and coaching, etc. So many things are they told us. I am very good in physics. I am that teacher who is continuously 10-hour classes. That is not boring. I am presenting everything in very interesting way. I told her, yeah, very good, thank you. Then told me so many things is, and then faculty ma'am Then management ma'am are came in classroom. He take pictures and photos and record videos of our classroom and students. Then he told me, "Are you Satrughan?" And that was called me last night. Yeah, ma'am, I am Satrughan. Who call who call you for asking college timing? Okay. Then he asked me introduction. Then I will give her his introduction, and then he telling me, uh, all of you student, tell me out of introduction something different, tell me something different. Then I will start telling her my startup journey. Then I tell her, when I in class 12th, then I have started a startup that was news BDNC. That was failed because so many employees are cheating me, because copy paste are doing in my website on my startup. So I was fire all employee. Then board exam are came, so many pressures, studies, so many things are came in the board time. Then I will then I was stopped working in a startup. Then he's failed. So I'm telling her कि I was a startup, and then that was news media and see. Then I would make webs. I was make website. Then so many employee hire, a writer hire to write in my website to for growing. Then they employee cheated me by copy pasting. Then I was fire all employed. Then I worked at least 1 month, hard work, very hard work, to got a Google AdSense approval. Then Google Ads are running on my website. Then there are zero traffic, not traffic are coming. Then ma'am asking me, what is your traffic? Then he cut my point. What is your traffic? Then I will told her, what is your traffic? Then one student are stand up, and then he is telling her ki traffic, that things those roadside, so many people are stand up on by side of the road, that is called traffic. So interesting. Then I ma'am telling me, you stand up and tell her all student speak loudly and tell her what is your traffic. Then I tell her all student what is your traffic. Traffic is that so many people so many people are crowded in one place, that is called traffic. So ma'am is telling me, that's good. Then so many girls in my back, ma'am asking her ki, what is AI, artificial intelligence, what is artificial intelligence? That is telling girls, that name is Garima. That is telling, yeah, is that reduces human efforts. Like if you ask any question, then AI replies very sharply and very fastly. AI can do 10 people work at one time, and time saving things. So many things are telling her, but is not telling that is not telling a proper answer. If ma'am ask me, then I will tell proper answer. First I was tell AI, artificial intelligent. Artificial, those made by human, that is called artificial intelligent. And second things is that that is not artificial intelligent, this is infinite intelligent. Because artificial intelligent, that was we are calling artificial intelligent, that was not artificial intelligent, that was infinite intelligent. Because so many work can do at one time in very less time. AI can do multiple of people who work in a single minutes, and single AI can do uh, equal a single AI is equal to 100 people. That's it. Because that is so that I call her infinite intelligent. You understand my point? That's it. That's it for today. Meet you day in 11 of English speaking practice. That is, thank you. Thank you so much. Meet you tomorrow. Thank you.